and you've trained for Josh for a couple of years now. What do you find the most challenging for cleaners to learn when you train a new cleaner?
A lot of people are set how they want to do things. They learn different ways of cleaning from other different companies, and it's just and getting people out of that process into a new process is very challenging. But that's why I'm excited about this, because this is going to make everything so much better and so much easier. So,
Explain that. Why do you think it'll be better and easier?
because for one, there's no way anyone could say, I didn't know I was supposed to do that. I didn't know we did that, or I didn't know how to do that, because your videos break everything down in a step to step process in the most basic way that someone can learn it.